Hey, this is Madame Rancier, Madame AF Rancier, and I wanted to pop in with a quick review on some braid hair that I got from Amazon. And just to let you know, this is not sponsored. I spent my own money on this. The hair is by Nye Braid or Nayo. This hair is 1B, 26 inches. It came with 6 packs for $21.99. I do have Amazon Prime, so it only took about 2 days to get here. The hair claims to be pre-stretched, itch-free, yaki texture, which it all was. I used 4 out of 6 packs. Let's see the ends here. Just 26 inches 1B. They also have an 8-pack option, and they also have 22 inches, 30 inches, and then the colors, they have 1B, 2, 30, and 99J. Let's see here. The hair was pretty easy to use to braid with and dip. I dipped the ends at the end of braiding. It's pretty full. I didn't think that I would have any hair left over. I was actually worried, but 2 packs left over. I did add a little bit of some blonde from another pack of hair, but just a little bit. But super easy to braid with, no tangles, and so far not itching. I finished braiding last night. But I like it. If you have any questions on how I braided my hair, I do have a video in my playlist on how to do box braids. But basically, I sectioned all my hair with rubber bands, and then I went in with a crochet and added the hair. But yeah, if you want more details, I have a video on how I do it. And that's it. Like I said, not sponsored. Amazon Braid Hair by Nayo. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment, hit the like, subscribe. I'm almost at 150 subscribers, so 150 is my next goal right now. Back. Thank you for tuning in.